a lot of your dairy producers, they just close off. They don't want to talk about that. They want to push as much milk through the cow. And, in the past, more milk you produced, more components you produced, you made money. I would say that's not the case anymore. You can be the best dairy farmer, but the market doesn't care about your break-evens, about your P&L. So you have to be proactive, not reactive. And I feel like a lot of your dairy farmers have stepped up to that challenge and have continued to utilize what's in front of them.